in my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can call.
What's good, guys? It's your boy Falak, and I'm back for another video. And I got my son Will over here. And today we're about to be doing a Taco Bell nachos party pack, $10, something like that. Mukbang, and this thing is really huge. Look at this. I can barely even fit in the camera. Look at this. It's all nachos and beans and pico de gallo and jalapeno and guacamole and cheese and beef. And nachos, especially the nachos. And we're gonna try to complete it while, talking to you guys, you feel me? But it's gonna be hard trying to put this camera somewhere. The best place to put it is the steering wheel. I mean, I won't even get to see the food, you feel me? Man, it's getting a little hot in here.
Look at my hair. This just got deep.
But
That's the one right there.
yeah, alright. I feel like this is choking me, bro. I felt like this was choking me.
I know I had mine still.
I felt it, bro. I feel like this is choking me.
Big Head gave it to him. I forgot. I gave it back to him. I know how I ended up having it.
I don't know. I know I had it, but I just forgot it was on me. Nah, choke me. Look at this one scoop.
Favorite thing right there. Guacamole and sour cream. I'll put you on.
Their jalapeno tastes weird. It's a little different. That shit been in the freezer forever.
Yeah. In that container. It's funny because we both used to work at the same job, but now we don't. Bad job. You guys don't want to work at Taco Bell.
We just started and we barely even finished this side of it. This side is still untouched.
We should have showcased the taco.
That's electric. I'm gonna see if we want some. Here's the plug.
Text them on. Text them on. You got a hotspot? Remember, this phone bill wasn't paid. Sad to admit. Remember? He's still alright. He's hungry. Everybody should be still hungry lately today. I don't know why.
You guys want one?
One of those people.
Alright, cheese them.
Yeah.
So how was that day today? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna try to get back at you guys. Make sure to go follow my Snapchat, follow 2Fly. Follow his Snapchat. Whatever it is.
Guapo_William.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to write that down.
Yo. It's mad easy.
Hell.
That's easy. Yo, what the heck? I broke it. Like this, man. Took me a while just to grab this. And it falls.
I have my fingers, so
That
it's
was a
very hard
thick
for me
chip.
to eat it. Look at this big one.
Really thick.
Look at this big one.
Mm-hmm. Nah, I tell you, best thing ever.
It reminds me of the $5 box that I had. My favorite thing. I used to always get that $5 box.
These fake jalapenos. These fake jalapenos.
They're barely even hot.
Look at, there go your trucks.
Family.
Truck life.
over there?
Yeah.
Let me just turn into Taco Bell. Might actually go to the drive-thru.
He not fair.
Obviously,
He's gonna destroy that whole drive-thru.
it's a whole semi-truck.
Sniper shoots it. That's a truck you need to drive. A bigger one though. Not those. Those are for big boys. The real man.
I'm gonna get there.
The real man. That's window. I don't know when she got here. That's your worst enemy, huh?
She been here.
That's your worst enemy. Probably works at 5. Look at my hair, guys.
These beans are thick.
The story on this is, I used to have these. They were like messed up before. I took them out. I don't know, just wore my hair in like braids, whatever, and I put them back. Now look at them, healthy, still long, nice hair. You see his hair? He wants to get like this someday. This, he can't get like. Come on now. He can't get like me.
I've been doing this with my hair being my way. See, it being my way.
You see how far it goes? Like, literally, it's like literally right here.
The back wheels are.
That thing's gonna cave in.
Look at the truck that's about to turn. Look how tiny the whatever it is. The whatever that shit
Trailer.
is called. Yeah, look how tiny the trailer is.
Not your finger.
Hmm?
It's been a while since I've been on the channel. You know, college life does it too. I don't recommend college for nobody. Unless you're really smart. I don't know.
Like me.
Yeah. Like you.
Bro, imagine how many nachos they fry a day now.
A lot.
Imagine how many people and like all this stuff they go through now.
3 bins at least every 2 hours, bro. Which is annoying. Yeah, 3 bins every 2 hours.
Thick cans, beans.
Gotta eat the thick stuff. Oh, my ass.
So you see all this, and then you go for that little tiny scoop.
I tried, man. I tried.
This is how much we got so far. We only got 1/4 of it done. I said we can't finish it. I might call whatever. This is for a party pack, and this is only 2 of us here.
Here's the party. Good thing you in party.
I'm gonna try to upload every single day if I can. I'm gonna try that. I want to try daily vlogging and stuff. Daily videos every single day. But I need like ideas, videos, ideas and stuff. But I'm gonna see what I can do because I'm mostly a sneaker channel. Is it turning?
Yeah, I just noticed that. I thought it was me at first.
Cause I'm mostly like a sneaker channel. I like making sneaker videos. But I'm gonna have to call Alexa for this. Hold this.
Huh?
My son Will trying to eat that whole one.
I'm trying to grab it. I don't want to just like, it's gonna break.
So what is your How do you rate this?
10 out of 10.
Tastes good?
You gotta get it.
Yeah,
And it's only $10, so I mean.
for like a whole bin of nachos. There's pico distingué, jalapeno, nacho cheese, beef, and beans, and sour cream. I always thought sour cream was sour.